Hello guys, we have here Chevrolet Tahoe 2013. The issue is ABS lights on and the traction is on. So I scan computer C040 appears right front wheel speed sensor circuit. So possible cause ABS sensor, plunger, or wiring for the ABS or the ABS module. Alright, so I found the problem. The problem is the connector is losing. See, when I lock it, they will out. So we will fix this one. I checked the reading of the sensor, it's good. Okay. Now as you can see, it's not losing now because inside is very dirty. So I clean this one and I fix this one. I clean. Okay. Everything's good. Okay, everything's good. Okay, we will clear this one. This ABS trouble code, and then trouble codes again. No trouble code now. Then we will start the car. Okay, start. ABS, it's gone. Nice job. God bless.